Hi guys, let's learn how to use RAM. This is basically actually a very new platform. How to search a property here in Toronto, Ontario in Canada. And you could be sitting other part of the world, but you will able to see everything, what sort of properties are on sale or rent or lease, whatever it is, industrial, commercial or condo. And let's start. I assume at this moment, this time, I have already invited you on this platform and I have sent you the invitation and you already created your username and your password. So this is your username password after I invited you. And how we start, just sign in and you will see your screen. And this could be, by the way, done also you can on your cell phone and also on your laptop or desktop, whatever it is. So the app works very good in both telephone and your laptop. And here in this, you see all these blue dots. That means these properties are available and you can move this map wherever you want, whatever area you are looking for a property. And we have to choose let's say we want to look for a property in somewhere in York area. These are the filters right on the top. You can go for location, and if you know already MLS number, then you can just punch in here MLS number, and then computer or your cell phone will pick up the property location. But at this moment we don't have MLS number. We are looking for property in York area. And or this is different Durham or Halton, Peel, whatever area you are. Like say we picked up here is York at the moment, and computer already choose all this. This is the boundary of York, but we want to narrow down the search. We want to go to municipality and what other municipalities are in York. Under York, these are the municipalities. There's a King, Markham, Newmarket, Aurora, and all those things. Let's say we pick up one, and we have picked up one, then computer will narrow down your search only one. But in one also, then we want to choose a community where we want to buy this property or we want to rent the property, whatever we want. So we choose a community here. In community, these are the communities in one. Well, I'm in East Woodbridge, so I'll pick up this East Woodbridge. So right now, so computer have picked up all these properties. They are all on sale in East Woodbridge at this moment. But this is all according to your all these filters. And what sort of these properties are? They are here. This is on sale and not on lease. If you want to look for a property in this area for lease, you just have to click on lease and close this one. And you will see these properties are in the same area, but they are on lease. But at this moment, we are searching properties for sale. Let's say go change to sale. Then what we do is done. And we want to look for a detached house. So we can use, again, these filters, whatever we want, semi-detached or other. But at this moment, we are choosing detached. So detached house. So now it will show these are the detached houses in East Woodbridge on sale. And let's say our requirement is minimum 4-bedroom we want. So we can click here on 4-bedroom. The same way you can use the washroom, bedrooms, whatever criteria you are looking for. So let's say 4-bedroom. And now these are the properties on sale in Woodbridge, East Woodbridge, for the 4-bedroom. And you can choose the price and you can set up like whatever price you are looking from the million to 5 million, 10 million, 20 million, whatever you desire. So anyhow, this is what it is. And there's more filters up here for any other. You want a garage, it has to be detached, like attached to the building, a house, in 3-car garage, 2-car garage, whatever you want. So at this moment, so these are the properties. Computer have picked up 6 properties. These are 6 properties in this area. And we want to see now, for example, we like this house. So we can press here or click here or click here. See, and on your screen, this way is as soon as you move the here mouse and it's going to the different properties. So we like this property. I'm going to click on this property, and this is $1.5 million, and let's see what this property has to offer. So this property will give us all this information, and how many bathroom, how many bedrooms, what the price, what the taxes were last year, and some the realtor remarks on this property, and what were the taxes in last year, taxes on this, and what is the legal description, PIN number for this property in the city. And here's a lot size, and lot size is there. Then you will have other measurements for your breakfast, kitchen area, family, living room, dining room, and then you will have your map at the bottom. And then there's a calculator for mortgage. If buying price is so much, how much is down payment, what is your amortization, what the interest rate you're getting. So it will give you your price, how much it will cost you monthly. And from here, let's see, we clear this. We have changed our mind. We don't want to buy property in this area. We will clear all these filters, and then it will start new search. And new search is now I want to choose here, this is highway 7, sorry, this is 400, highway 407, and this is I know this one is what, Rutherford, and let's say this, after that this is a major Mac. And for example, you got a new job or something, and this is a hospital. I know this is on highway 400 and Major Mackenzie, the new hospital. Let's say you found a job in a hospital and you want to live close to this hospital. So what you really want to do, you can use these tools here. You can try all this and you will know what they do. And you can draw a circle here. As soon as you hover your mouse on it, it's tell you what it is. So you choose this circle, click on the circle, then click on hospital, then hold it and make it, let's say this radius is 1.3. They will tell you how many meters away and how many kilometers, whatever, 1.35 mile. And now you want to leave it. Your mouse click and you see if there's any property on sale. So there's one house is for $1.35 million, and this is a house available close to your job where you were looking. Then you want to click on this and you want to see what this house has to offer. And this house have all these details as I explained you earlier, and this house have 40 pictures, and you can see all inside and how this house look like, and if the basement is made, what sort of all these appliances and everything, what you're gonna get in this. So this is very easy to use, and if you want to see all these pictures together at one time, just click on this here and you will see all these pictures, and you can close it from here. And then if you happen to like this house, you think this house is nice, and what you want to do, you just put, here's a heart. If you click here and you're a realtor, so I will know you like this house, so I can talk to you, so I will know you like this house. Or you can even chat with me here. You press here and you can say, hey Ben, I like this house, can you book showing for us? So I can communicate with you this way. And another thing is here also you can email this and print out and add to list also. So if you put add to list here, you can basically here save this listing also. Let's say we want to save this search. So save this search here, and you can put here, let's say whatever the name, house in one. So you can save this property search name, and you can save the search, and you can see this later on, and what you have done. So you could be, maybe then you change your mind, you say, you know what, and this is another tool anyways. This is you can draw a polygon, and you're looking for a certain subway station or whatever street, and you want to live right close to that street, and you can just click here and click and again click, and you can go all the way. So you want to live on Kiel Street, just very close to Kiel, like, so easy transportation or something for you. So if there's any property in this area available, it will show up. So what are the properties on sale in this area? So this way you can basically choose any location, your desired location, wherever you're looking for. And if you're looking for, you don't want this, you remove the shape, is done, and you're looking for, forget it, it's too expensive, I want to look for a condo. So here you come here in filters. So instead of here freehold, so if you go to condo and yes, you close this one, and now it will show you all the condos. These are all the condos on sale. So here there's a this is a new area in Woodbridge. See, here is close to that subway line, Highway 7 and Jane. So you will see all these properties on, see, Highway 7 and Jane, and condos, how many condos are on sale. And look at this, this is the subway station, 5 Buttermill Avenue. I know exactly this location is right in walking distance. That's like right, the buildings are right beside. And this condo is on sale for $549. Taxes are so much, maintenance fee, and your features, everything. You can see all the details. And this is also available on your cell phone and on your desktop laptop. And you can have, if there's any changes in this, your search, we can set it up real-time notification, so you will know exactly if new property came, new condo came on sale in this area, whatever it is. So you will know right away. So what else I can show you here? And here's a notification. You will see all your notifications. And house and one, we save that thing, so we will know here, save this, and we see here there was this house. So you can search back and forth, and it's pretty easy. I know I have not mentioned all the functions. There's a lot of things you can do with this, but this is something is basic. It will help more than enough for you to find the property, and you can communicate with me, and then we can work together. And or you can, any of your realtor, you can work if the person know they are using this platform. But this is very easy. You could be sitting any part of the world, and you will able to search property, and you will have a full knowledge what's happening in Toronto real estate market. So for today, I guess that's what it is. And if you have any question, please go to benbasra.ca, and you will see all my detail, my social media, and my Facebook, my Instagram, and my office. I am working with Remax Metropolis in Toronto. So get in touch with me if you have any question how to use this system.